Welcome to Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale, and comes equipped with OnStar and Chevrolet Connect emergency communication system, premium audio system, heated driver and front passenger seat, integrated cargo liner, cross traffic alert, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, premium cloth seat trim, lane change alert with side blind zone alert, confidence and convenience package, front passenger 4-way manual seat adjuster, and has less than 40,000 miles on the odometer. Saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests. And we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.